Kitties are growing. So I keep their food in a cage in the restroom actually. And I don't open it up when the dogs can get it because they love the kitten food. Oh, look, she was thirsty. Hi, Gracie. I just thought you might like to see the kitties. They are growing, eating, and drinking a lot, using the litter box a lot, but I will be transitioning them to outside. Not quite yet, though. I want to know that they come to me every time I call before I let them out. Good night, babies. I think they're pretty satisfied. Hi, Grace. Hi, little Sky. One thing about keeping the litter box in the bathroom, every time I come into the bathroom, if there's anything in it, I clean it out right away. Because I'm not a litter box fan. Well, it's Maria from Still Dreaming Homestead. I want to pray blessings on you and yours, in your house, out of your house, in the day and the night. Whatever you do, keep dreaming.